Morning, guys. Myself Sandeep Kumar Reddy from Ingenious Competitive Training Academy. Today we will be discussing about the word meaning concerning to the suffix with philo and philly. Philo means love and philly means attraction. As we have going to discuss few slides regarding how exactly the word is used. These are very useful for all competitive examinations. Please remember wherever you will find this philo, it means love or attraction. So let us see what we have. Here we have, as you can see, exactly aerophilately, that is collection of air mail stamps. We are aware that philatelist means the person who collects the stamps is known as philatelist. So here aerophilatelist means the person who collects the, and here collecting of airmail stamps, that whoever has got love towards that is aerophilately. Next we have ailerophilia, ailerophilia, that is love of cats. Whoever is more interested towards cats and his pet, as you can see, ailerophilia, that is love for cats, the person who loves the cat. Here we have an anemophilus. It is one type of pollination by the wind, that is anemophilus. It occurs in the flowers. Next we have Anglophilia, that is love for England or English, that is Anglophilia, who has more attraction towards England, English as well as England. Next we have Anthophilus, that means loving flowers. So whoever is interested towards flowers, that is Anthophilus. Next we have Actophily, that is study of teddy bears, and the love towards that is known as actophily. Sexual obsession with the sharp objects, whatever the sharp objects, that obsession is known as bibliophilia. Love for books or reading, that is bibliophily, whoever is interested and who has got interest towards books. Love for dogs, that is canophilia, whoever is interested and love for the dogs, that is canophilia. Next we have, this is one thing which we have to remember, cartophily, that is the hobby of collecting cigarette cards. Whatever the cigarette cards, that collection is known as cartophily. And who has love towards gold, that they are known as Christophilus. As we can see to the right, who has got more interest and love towards gold, they are Chrysophilist. Next we have the passion for phases. So who has got love and passion for phases, they are Clinophilia. Who has love for faces, that is Coprophilia. A lover of dogs, whoever is interested in dogs, they are known as Cynophilist. The fond of trees, that is known as Dendrophilus. Whoever has interest in the trees, that is Dendrophilus. Adapted for pollination by insects, that is known as entomophilus. We should know entomology means the study of insects, but here whatever the adaptation of for the pollination by insects, that is entomophilus. A lover of work, the person who loves the work, he is known as ergophile. The tolerant of salt or salt water, that is known as halophilus, whoever is tolerant of salt and salt water. Next we have, I request you guys to just have a look in playlist where you will find near about 800 plus question papers for various examinations. They have been segregated in a different subject wise and question paper wise. You can directly go through whatever has been given in it. Next we have heliophilus. Helio means sun, the attraction and love towards the sun, that is heliophilus. Hippophile, that is, I already discussed regarding hippo means horse. So whoever has got love towards horses, that is hippophile. Homophily, one who prefers the company of the same sex or a homosexual. Men to men, in the case of women to women, they are lesbians. Here hydrophilus means loving or preferring water, is known as hydro means water. So hydrophilus means whatever the loving or preferring to water. Limnophilus means living in ponds or marshes, that is limnophilus. Living among stones, whatever the one which live in the stones, that is lithophilus. A lover of words, that is logophile. The lover of darkness, they are known as logophilia. As you can see how exactly the logophilia, the feeling of love and comfort in darkness, you can see towards, they want to stay in the darkness only. Next we have myrmecophilus, that means having a symbiotic relationship with ants. Next we have love or sexual attraction for corpse, that is necrophilia. Remember that it is the attraction for corpses. One who is sympathetic towards black people, they are known as negrophile. As you can see to the picture how exactly they are sympathetic towards black people. Next we have nemophilist, one who loves the woods, they are known as nemophilist. One who loves novelty and trends, they are known as, that is neophily. Next we have collecting of banknotes and checks, that is notophily. A lover of wine, oinophile. Whoever is interested in wine, they are oinophile. The tolerant of large amounts of rainfall, ombrophilus. Please remember, who has the tolerance of large amounts of rainfall, they are ombrophilus. Next we have oholophilist, a lover of snakes, is known as oholophilist. The pollinated by birds, that is ornithophilus. I told you orni means bird. Remember, these are the key points you have to remember in exams. Love or sexual attraction for children, that is pedophilia. I told you pedo means children. So love or sexual attraction for children is known as pedophilia. Antiquarian means paleophile. As usual, living on rocky areas, that is petrophilus. Petro means rock. As you can see the monkey where they live in the rocky areas. So they are petrophilus animals. Next we have philologist. Philologist, that is lover of truth, is known as philologist. The study of postage stamps is known as philately. The loving or admiring horses is known as philippic. So we should remember this. The love of beauty is known as philocle. So this is what love of beauty, that is philocle. Next we have philodemic, means the fond of commoners or the lower classes. They are known as philodemic. The love of woman is, that is phylogeny. Next we have the lover of learning, that is philomath. So whoever has got interest in learning, they are philomath. One who seeks knowledge, they are known as philologist. As you can see, who has interest in having more knowledge. Hospitality, the person who loves hospitality, they are philoxenia. The love of things of the past, whatever the past things, that is retrophilia. Living in running waters, that is rheophile. Growing on or near roots, they are rhizophilus. Please remember, these are all few important. You have to identify which may be the questions. You have to guess for your own benefit. Next we have who has love for flesh, that is sarcophilus. One who admires China or the Chinese people and food, cynophily. Please remember whatever the questions have been given. One who loves or is loved by God, they are theophile. So who loves or is loved by God, that is theophile. Next we have preferring or thriving in high temperatures. We knew that lizard as well as dragon, they want high temperature. So they preferring or thriving in high temperature, they are thermophilus. Next we have love for stamps or stamp collection, that is timbrophily. What are the love for particular place, that is known as topophilia. Love of archery and archery, study of archery, whatever, that is toxophily. The lover of cheese is known as cheurophily, which is an important thing. Next we have Thiophilophily, one who is kind to be the blind, that is Thiophilophily. Love of foreigners, that is Xenophilia, is known as love towards foreigners. Adaptation to very dry conditions, that is Xerophily, that is concerning to the adaptation of very dry conditions. Fond of wood or living in our wood, that is Xylophilus. As you can see, mushroom is one type of Xylophilus, which live in a wood. Loving or caring for animals, that is bestiality, that is known as zoophilia. Zoophilia means they have love towards or caring for animals, so they do love with animals and care for animals, that is zoophilia. And as you can see here, you can find my mobile number. You can call me for 2100 PDF of GK and GS. Hope if you think that it is good, then please like it and share it to your friends. Have a good day. Have a great life.